This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome to Special Report. I'm David Denault. Astronomers may have discovered evidence of an unseen planet in the farthest reaches of our solar system, almost 10 years after Pluto was demoted. And this planet may date back thousands and thousands of years to ancient Sumerian writings about a planet called Nibiru. Next, as America and the world is listening to Special Report on About Space Today. Ever dream of an island getaway at an all-inclusive resort? Or going on an island-hopping cruise to multiple island destinations? See sun-bleached beaches and swim in the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea. Call today for your special discount prices to your island getaway. This is a special offer for About Space by calling 877-747-8631. And let's go and explore the islands of the Caribbean. Welcome back. Is Planet 9 or Planet X the mystery planet Nibiru, written about on tablets dating back more than 2,000 years in early Sumerian writings? Ancient aliens say they came from the stars.
The Anunnaki are a group of gods worshipped by the Sumerians, Akkadians, Assyrians, and Babylonians. Their name, Anunnaki, literally means those who came from the heavens. According to ancient manuscripts, their existence dates back to 2144 to 2124 BC. They appear to be celestial beings with immense powers, believed to possess profound knowledge and technological insight that shaped human culture and participated in mankind's creation. They were believed to possess extraordinary powers and were often thought to have a tremendous physical presence, having a height of up to 12 feet. According to the Sumerians, every major deity was regarded as the guardian of a specific city, obliged to protect that city's well-being. The deity was believed to permanently reside within that particular city's temple. A text suggests that only 7 Anunnaki stayed within the underworld and served as judges. So from where and for what did the Anunnaki come here? According to ancient Sumerian scripts, right at the very end of our solar system lies a planet called Nibiru. It enters an orbit close to Earth once every 3,600 years. Nibiru is the home planet of the Anunnaki. The Anunnaki combined their DNA with the ancestors of human beings, creating a highly intelligent but a submissive race. Slowly, there was an increase in the tribe of what we know today as human beings. Over time, humans learned to live and progress according to the Anunnaki. After a few millennia, the planet Nibiru once again reached an orbit close to Earth. But before leaving, they imparted humans with knowledge about architecture, mathematics, music, and writing.
The mystery planet Nibiru got attention of astronomers when a controversial book was published.
Nibiru entered the public consciousness in 1976 with the publication of The 12th Planet by Zecharia Sitchin. We should note that Sitchin himself didn't believe Nibiru posed any immediate threat to mankind. On the contrary, he thought it was linked to the creation of our species. The late Sitchin was a journalist and a student of Sumerian cuneiform, ancient writings of Mesopotamia and Persia, mainly on clay tablets. Somewhere down the line, he became convinced that Homo sapiens are not the product of natural selection, at least, not entirely. According to his questionable interpretations of ancient Mesopotamian texts and inscriptions, the first humans were bioengineered by some aliens called the Anunnaki, who once colonized southeastern Africa. These extraterrestrials, according to Sitchin, were from the as-yet undiscovered planet Nibiru, which he said would circle Earth every 3,600 years before vanishing into space.
The planet Nibiru was also linked to the Mayan calendar. So just how did this discovery come about? Well, Michael Lemonic is a writer for Scientific America and says,
It came about because there are things out there, little icy objects that are orbiting in a funny way, and nobody was quite sure Why? It seemed like there might be something with gravity pulling on them, but nobody quite understood. And finally, these scientists that you talked about took a really hard look at it, did simulations, came up with the explanation. It probably is this giant planet.
And Voyager reports that NASA admitted that there is a ninth planet.
There is a ninth planet in our solar system, and it's not Pluto. NASA has made a remarkable discovery in the vast expanse of our solar system. A ninth planet, lurking beyond the familiar orbits of Neptune and Pluto, has been unveiled. Our planet Earth is part of a solar system that consists of 8 planets, orbiting a massive blazing star we call the Sun. For thousands of years, astronomers studying the solar system have noticed that these planets march across the sky in a predictable way. Some are moving forward at a faster rate than others, and some even appear to be going backward, according to their observations. Ever since Pluto was kicked out of the club, there has been some indication that there might be one more planet in the solar system, bringing the total number of known planets to 9 again. A hypothetical planet 9, lurking on the outer edge of our solar system. So far, this world has eluded discovery, but a new study has pinned down where it should be. Planet 9's gravitational pull on other bodies provides evidence of its existence. Assuming the planet is real, its gravitational pull will change the paths of other celestial bodies. The 9th planet in our solar system is believed to be much larger than Earth, with a mass of 5 to 10 Earth masses, and it orbits the Sun at an average distance of 400 to 800 astronomical units. The average distance that Earth orbits the Sun is 1 astronomical unit, which is 10 to 20 times farther than Pluto's orbit. If there is a planet 9, its one orbit would take 10,000 to 20,000 years. The possibility of a large world orbiting the Sun at such a huge distance is captivating. Studies of other star systems reveal that exoplanets between the masses of Earth and Neptune are relatively common. Why our solar system doesn't contain a world within this mass range is a puzzle, but if Planet 9 really is out there, it would be a profound historic discovery that would reshape our understanding of the system of planets that orbit our Sun. It goes without saying that a planet with such an eccentric orbit would be extremely elusive. Yet scientists continue to scour infrared surveys in the hopes of spotting a faraway object creeping across the sky. Nibiru is said to have an orbital period of 3,600 Earth years. At first glance, this seems reasonable enough. Nibiru is expected to make regular forays into the inner solar system, where Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are located. What would happen if Nibiru remained in its current bizarre orbit around the Sun? According to NASA's Planetary Science Division, it was in 1992 that astronomers who had doggedly scanned the heavens in search of dim objects beyond Neptune discovered the distant Kuiper Belt, which is thought to contain hundreds of thousands of other objects. No one has ever seen the prophesied planet, not even amateur astronomers. So it may take a while for someone to observe it with a telescope.
So will we one day see what this mysterious planet looks like? And did you know a planet called Nibiru, although not associated with Earth, was featured briefly in a 2013 Star Trek film installment, Star Trek Into the Darkness? Well, the planet appears in the opening scenes as a home of savage tribesmen and a supervolcano about to erupt. And thanks for joining me today from your home or where you work. I'm David Denault, and this has been Special Report on About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.